Imagine waking up in the middle of the night, your cuff muscle locked in a painful grip, as if it's decided to stage a protest against sleep. If you are over 60, you know this is not just a minor annoyance. It's a sharp, burning ache that steals your rest, saps your energy, and leaves your legs feeling weaker by morning. I am Dr. Michael Harris, a board certified geriatric specialist with over 25 years of experience, helping seniors reclaim their health through natural solutions. Many doctors won't tell you this, but those nighttime leg cramps are often a sign of a hidden magnesium deficiency. As we age, our bodies quietly lose magnesium, and it's not just about cramps. This shortfall can increase risks of heart problem, chronic fatigue, and even falls. The good news, you don't need expensive supplements or complex prescriptions to fix it. I am here to share 5 magnesium rich foods that studies show can ease cramps, strengthen muscle, improve circulation, and help you sleep soundly. These are not rare exotic ingredients. You will find most of them at your local grocery store, and when prepared properly, they can help your body absorb magnesium far better than pills. Before we start, I would love to hear from you. Have you ever been jolted awake by muscle tightness or cramps? Share your experience in the comments. It might encourage someone else to take action. If this resonates with you, hit like, subscribe to the Senior Health After 60 or 0 if you are not sure yet. Let me know where you are watching from too. I would love to connect with folks from all over. Stick with me to the end because I will also share a simple nighttime routine you can start tonight to reduce cramps and sleep better. Let's dive in and get your legs back to feeling strong and steady. First, let's talk about spinach, a leafy green that's often overlooked but packed with magnesium to calm your muscles and nerves. Research shows nearly 80% of seniors don't get enough magnesium, which can lead to those sudden cough cramps that wake you up or leave you stiff and tired. Low magnesium also raises risk of heart issues, high blood pressure, and balance problem that could lead to falls. Spinach can help restore your magnesium levels quickly if you prepare it right. Boiling it in lots of water washes away up to 60% of its nutrients, and microwaving can destroy them too. Instead, lightly steam the leaves for no more than 5 minutes to keep the magnesium intact. After steaming, add a tablespoon of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. Healthy fats help your body absorb magnesium more effectively. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can boost absorption even further while adding vitamin C for oral health. Take Helen, a 72-year-old retired librarian from Michigan who suffered from nightly cramp for nearly a decade. Medications didn't help, but when a nutritionist suggested eating steamed spinach 4 times a week, her cramps nearly disappeared in 3 weeks, and she started sleeping through the night again. She said it felt like a miracle when shopping. Choose fresh, deep green spinach bunches and avoid wilted and yellowing leaves, which lose nutrition. If fresh is not available, plain frozen spinach is fine, but skip creamy or pre-seasoned versions with excessive salt or fats that can block magnesium absorption. Store fresh spinach unwashed in a ventilated bag in your fridge vegetable drawer and use it within 3 to 4 days for maximum benefits. Wash it just before cooking and don't soak it too long. You can steam it ahead and store in a covered container for up to 48 hours, but eat it soon to get the full effect. Adding spinach to your meals is a simple way to reduce cramps, improve sleep, and feel stronger without relying on supplements. Next up is almond, a small but mighty snack that can help replenish magnesium and potassium, two minerals we lose faster as we age. This loss is often worsened by medication like diuretics, which flush out minerals, or by our kidneys filtering them out for more as we get older. Almonds are rich in bioavailable magnesium and have a slight alkalizing effect that reduce inflammation in muscle and joints. Their healthy fats act like carriers, helping your body absorb minerals more efficiently than supplements. Robert, a 68-year-old retired mechanic from Arizona, struggled with cough cramp that woke him almost every night. He tried supplements, lotions, and stretching, but nothing worked until a nutritionist suggested soaking a small handful of almonds, about 30 grams, in filtered water for 12 hours. Soaking activates enzymes that break down phytate compounds that can block mineral absorption. After rinsing and eating them daily with vitamin C rich fruit like berries, Robert felt stronger and more energized in just 2 weeks. With his cramps nearly gone, choose whole organic almonds with the skin on, as the skin contains antioxidants that support blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Avoid roasted or salted almonds, which can lose nutrients or add unhealthy fats. Store them in the fridge after soaking and eat them in the morning, but avoid pairing with dairy, as calcium can compete with magnesium absorption. If you have nut allergies or take blood thinners, consult your doctor first. This small habit can improve digestion, stabilizing blood pressure, and ease joint discomfort, making almond a powerful addition to your diet. Now let's talk about a surprising one: dark chocolate. Not just any chocolate, but high quality dark chocolate with at least 85% cocoa, preferably single origin from place like Ecuador or Peru. It's loaded with magnesium and a compound called theobromine, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, helping to prevent nighttime cramps. A study from the University of Lausanne found that seniors eating 20 grams of high cocoa dark chocolate 3 times a week saw 68% reduction in cramps after 4 weeks. Avoid sugary or processed chocolate bars, as they lack the nutrients you need to get the most benefits. Melt 2 squares slowly in a double boiler at low heat around 113 Fahrenheit to increase magnesium bioavailability by up to 30%. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt to enhance the mineral content. Store chocolate in a cool, dark place, not the fridge, to preserve its structure. Walter, a retired teacher from Michigan, dealt with crippling cough cramps for years. Supplements didn't help, but when he started this chocolate routine, his cramps lessened in 2 weeks and were nearly gone in a month. Blood tests confirmed his magnesium level were back to normal. He called it a delicious fix he couldn't believe worked. Incorporating dark chocolate a few times a week can boost energy, improve sleep, and make your evenings cramp free, all while feeling like a treat. The fourth food is pumpkin seed, a simple ingredient with a big impact. A small handful provides nearly half your daily magnesium needs, along with potassium, zinc, and plant based omega 3s that support muscle and nerve health. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors who ate pumpkin seeds regularly had fewer cramps, better sleep, and improved circulation in 6 weeks. Karen, a 69-year-old retired nurse from Colorado, suffered from nightly leg cramps for over a decade. She started soaking a quarter cup of raw pumpkin seeds overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt to improve digestibility. Then added them to yogurt or salads. Within 2 weeks, her cramps faded and she felt more energized. Choose raw, unsalted seed and store them in an airtight container to keep their healthy fat fresh. Avoid salted or oil roasted version which can strain your heart. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, or smoothies for an easy nutrient boost. This small addition can make a big difference in reducing cramps and improving overall health. Finally, let's explore quinoa, a grain that's been a staple for thousands of years and is one of the best plant-based sources of magnesium, delivering about 120 milligram per cooked cup. It's also rich in potassium, iron, and complete protein with all nine essential amino acids, which help repair muscle as we age. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors eating quinoa 4 times a week reduced nighttime cramps by 50% in 6 weeks, with better mobility and less stiffness. George, a 72-year-old retired teacher from Ohio, swapped white rice for quinoa and saw his cramps nearly vanish in a month, along with a boost in energy. Always rinse quinoa to remove saponins, a coating that can block mineral absorption and upset your stomach. Cook it in low sodium vegetable broth for added flavor and minerals, then drizzling with olive oil and lemon juice to enhance magnesium uptake. Use it in salads, as a side dish, or in a breakfast bowl with nuts and fruit. It's versatile and easy on the stomach. Quinoa is a simple way to support muscle health and keep cramps at bay. Even with these foods, a cramp might still strike unexpectedly. Here's a quick emergency plan to ease the pain. First, get out of bed and place your foot flat and a cold floor. The temperature change triggers nerve reflexes to relax the muscle. Walk slowly, leaning into the affected leg with knees slightly bent. Next, mix a hydration shot, warm water, a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, a teaspoon of raw honey, and a quarter lemon juice. Hold it in your mouth for 10 seconds before swallowing for faster absorption. For acupressure, press firmly 4 fingers below your knee cap and in the middle of your cuff for 10 to 15 seconds each to block pain signals. Use thermal therapy. Apply a warm water bottle wrapped in a towel for 30 seconds, then an ice pack for 20 seconds, repeating 3 times to boost circulation. And avoid hard stretching or hot baths, which can worsen inflammation. After the cramp, walk gently for 5 minutes, sip magnesium water